In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a circle in Life 360. First, let's open the Life 360 app. You'll see a clean and user-friendly interface on your screen. This is the main dashboard where all your location sharing features are located. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for the best experience. Opening the app is crucial because it serves as the starting point for all your interactions within the platform. If you do not have the app yet, you can easily download it from your device's app store. Once you open the app, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you will need to get a Circle invite code from a Circle member. This code is unique and essential for joining any circle. It usually consists of a series of letters and numbers. You can ask a family member or friend who is already in the circle to share this code with you. This step is important because without the invite code, you cannot join any circle. Make sure to keep the invite code handy as you will need it shortly. Once you have the code, you can proceed to the next action. Now, tap the circle switcher located at the top of the screen. This is an icon that allows you to manage your circles within Life 360. You will notice a drop-down menu appear. The circle switcher is a vital feature because it helps you navigate between different circles you are part of or want to join. By tapping on it, you are activating the options to join a new circle. Once you tap it, you're ready for the next step. Next up, tap on the option labeled Join a Circle. This will lead you to the screen where you can enter the invite code you received earlier. It's straightforward and designed to make the process as seamless as possible. Joining a circle is significant because it allows you to share your location with trusted friends and family. This can enhance safety and communication among your circle members. After tapping the option, you'll be directed to where you can input the code. After that, enter the invite code carefully. Make sure to double-check it for any mistakes. The code must be entered exactly as you received it. If there are any errors, you may not be able to join the circle. This small detail is very important because it ensures your successful entry into the circle. Once you have entered the code correctly, you can move to the next step. Now, tap Submit. This action will send your request to join the circle. You may see a loading icon as the app processes your request. This step is crucial because it finalizes your action and communicates your intent to join. After tapping Submit, you should see a confirmation screen or message indicating that your request is being reviewed. Next, review and accept the invitation. Here, you will see details about the circle you wish to join. This may include information about other members and the purpose of the circle. It's vital to understand what the circle entails before you accept. Once you are satisfied with the details, tap the Accept button to finalize your membership. This ensures that you are fully aware of what you are stepping into. You are now part of the circle. Congratulations! You can start sharing your location and communicating with other circle members. Do keep in mind that invite codes expire after 72 hours, so if you did not get to join right away, make sure to reach out for another invite code. This helps maintain the security and integrity of the circle. Enjoy connecting with your loved ones.